Hey guys, what's up? Just want to do a really quick video today on a node that will completely change how you work in Blender and your texturing. It is very useful and it's helped me with many of my projects. For my most recent one, Consume, you can go check it out on my Instagram. So we have our focus of the image here, the statue. I'll show you without it. So you get these highlights, too bright and it's not very nice to the eye. I'll put it back on, it's like so much better. And here it is, it's the map range node. Basically, I'm just using a texture that is rough. Yeah, this, just random grungy roughness. Putting that into a color ramp, and it's too rough. So what I do is I put it through the map range. And what the map range does, you put the value in, and you take the value from minimum 0 to maximum 1 to minimum 0.4 to 1. And you can control this. So for example, if I just put it back down to 0, the map range node is doing nothing. Because it's just saying, taking the values from the color ramp from 0 to 1 and then convert it to 0 to 1. But then as you put this, it's saying the value that you get from the color ramp that's 0, it can't be 0 anymore. The lowest it can be is 0.1. And so then you can take that up till it's a point you like. The lowest it can be is 0.2, and then 0.3, and then I settled at 0.4 because I thought that looked the best. I just want to remind you guys that if you appreciated this quick tip, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be coming out with a lot more videos like this. Now back to the video, and you can also do maximum so it's not completely rough, so you can do 0.9, so then it's not completely rough. So that's a really good way to control your roughness for your focus of your image, or for example on this pipe here, without the map range, it's too bright. It distracts away from the focus of the image. So all I did was put it before the color ramp. So take the value, take it from 0 to 1, and then put 0.3 to 1. So the minimum value it can be is 0.3. So it can't be completely reflective. So you can always do this with the color ramp if you change the white to gray or whatever, but it's just a really simple way of getting your roughness values to where you want them to be. Most objects in real life are never, ever going to be 0 roughness and 1 roughness. So being able to balance it out so it's a little bit more realistic and having it so it's not too bright. So anyways, just wanted to give you guys that really quick tip, and yeah, my favorite node right now. It's really good to use in your texturing workflows. So anyway, yeah, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at EJ3DArt, and keep using Blender. You got this.